Hey, what is up guys, Terex Mixtape God right here again with another unboxing video. So if you missed the last one, that is the unboxing I did about the NEEWER microphone arm. I'm just gonna link it right up in the cards and also in the description right down below, so you guys can go check it out, okay? So welcome again to the amazing world of Terex, alright? And right here on this channel, I do a lot of music talk, tips, do's and don'ts, how-tos, music strategies and all that kind of stuff, and also music gear reviews, unboxing and reviews, okay? So if you know that's the kind of content that you want to see, then be sure to hit that subscribe button right down below and definitely tell me that you're awesome. And also shout out to my singles that are gonna be dropping very soon, guys. It is One Drink and also New Age. You guys have been loving what I've been posting, you guys have been seeing it. I really appreciate the feedback, okay? Right there on Instagram, you guys have been showing me a lot of love, alright? If you're not following me on Instagram, then definitely be sure to head over there, okay? I'm gonna be dropping all of the information, the release dates and everything, okay? So you guys can go check it out. So if you guys remember a couple of videos back, I did mention that my microphone stopped working, so that is the reason why we're here today, okay? We're gonna unbox the AUDIO-TECHNICA AT2020, okay? So you guys just sit back, relax and enjoy the show. So but first up, before we slice and dice this little box right here, I'm gonna tell you how it all started. So you know the drill as always, man. I was just sitting chilling and then someone brings the box up to my door and I hear the bell ring and I go outside to check it out. The box arrives, two boxes actually, which was the NEEWER arm and the AUDIO-TECHNICA. And so took this inside, gonna slice and dice, and I'm gonna show you what this is all about. So without further ado, let's dive straight into it. So I got my trusty knife right here, and before we slice and dice, I'm just gonna give you a run through around the box so you can see just what it looks like. This did come from Cosmo Music, they're right here in Canada, so shout out to them. But as always, this is not a sponsored video, okay guys? If this was a sponsored video, I would definitely let you know, alright? Cosmo Music's been supplying me with a lot of stuff, so I say shout out to them. They're really amazing. If you do live in Canada and you want to buy some music stuff, you could try to check them out, okay? I have other people that try to get gear stuff from, like my lights and cameras, that would be from Henry's, but this is not some glorified advertising video, so let's move on. So I kind of think like I went the other way and I opened this upside down, but that does not matter, nothing's damaged and we got everything that we want inside here. So let's have a look and see what we have. So first off, we have the AUDIO-TECHNICA box right here, and as you can see, it says AUDIO-TECHNICA and AT2020. And we also have these like foamy like thingies here, which I think is just to, you know, protect the content that is inside the box, because this is a microphone, you don't want to drop it and you don't want it to be bumping around stuff. So the look and feel of this box just screams quality, guys. I cannot deny this right here. It feels really solid, it feels really good. But I'm just gonna put this aside so we can see what else comes in the box. So we got a couple of more foamy thingies right here, and this is actually like a couple of stickers and also a thank you note from Cosmos Music, man. Thank you guys so much for sending this over, but I did pay for it though. But it's still a really nice touch to see this in the box, and this also kind of serves like a warranty. So if you do live in Canada, they can actually try to, if you have a complaint or something or maybe it doesn't work fine, then you can actually just reach out to them with this card. This is just like a verification to show that you did buy this from them, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna do something about it. Well, I don't have no issues so far, but we're gonna wait to find out. And so that's just about it for the bigger box. Now let's move on to the smaller box and see the main microphone. So popping the little box right open, the first thing that we see is some paperwork right here, and there is a little warranty card. Now this second warranty card is from Audio-Technica itself, but one disclaimer that you gotta know is that this warranty is only covered if you are in the United States. So what you're supposed to do is just fill out the information and then send it over to them, and I think they cover it for about 1 year, I guess. And next we have this beautiful pouch that is located right inside the box. How amazing is this, guys? Honestly, I have been in a situation where I wanted to carry my gear just to record somewhere else, but I had no place to actually put this, and this is really nice if you want to carry your microphone. Maybe you got something to do somewhere and you just want to pack your gear up. This is a really nice pouch for you. Just put your microphone inside and just hit the road, man. That is a really nice touch. It feels really good. The leather feels really good. It feels really solid. Feels like real quality. The smell of it is really nice, and I cannot deny that. So right inside we get this microphone hook, or more like a hanger, or more like a connectors, whatever you want to call it. But this is gonna go very well with the newer arm that I did order with this, so I'm gonna test that out and see just how well it holds up. And so guys, the moment we've all been waiting for, which is the microphone itself. And the first thing I'm going to tell you is this brushed metal feels extremely good, man. The weight to this microphone is amazing. It is really heavy, but not as heavy as it would make it like in an uncomfortable way, but it is like the desired amount of heavy, and it feels really good and feels really solid. There is no plastic here, guys. It is all metal all around. It feels like it was constructed like really well. This is the very first time I'm going to be using Audio-Technica, so this is going to be a real nice experience for me to see. So just a quick run, you have Audio-Technica written right there, and on the other side you have Cardiac Condenser written on the other side. Flip it over and you have this back indicator just to show you where the microphone is facing, and last but not least you have AT2020 just to remind you what you're actually recording on. So that's it for me with this real quick unboxing, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any requests on what you want me to cover in the full review, then just leave it right down in the comments, just right below that like button, okay? If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe if you want to see a lot more videos like this, okay? Follow on social media, like I said, Instagram. I am going to be dropping links about my new releases, okay? These songs are going to be epic. They are going to be really nice, okay? I'm really looking forward to this one. I'm doing this releases in a way that I've never actually done before. New age and one drink. This is gonna be awesome. Thanks again so much for watching, guys, and don't forget, man, be unstoppable.